Welcome to Weekly Trade Advantage Stocks and Options. Today, I'm exposing the hidden truth about support and resistance that pros use but retail traders ignore. If you're tired of fake breakouts, stop hunts, and confusing price action, this video will change the way you trade support and resistance. Let's dive in. Most traders get support and resistance dead wrong. They draw simple lines, wait for price to hit them, and expect an easy reversal. But that's why they keep losing trades. Part 1. Support and resistance are not fixed lines. Let's talk about the first misconception. Support and resistance aren't fixed price levels. They're zones. New traders slap horizontal lines on a chart and expect price to respect them perfectly. But the reality? Institutions don't trade like that. Instead of a single line, think of support and resistance as a zone where price can react. Sometimes price touches and reverses immediately. Other times, it pierces through, trapping retail traders before reversing. Solution? Use a buffer zone around key levels and wait for confirmation. I'll show you exactly how in a minute. Part 2. The most powerful support and resistance come from higher timeframes. Next, let's talk about the support and resistance levels that actually matter. Most traders rely on intraday levels from the 5-minute or 15-minute chart, but guess what? These levels get broken all the time. The real money is watching daily and weekly key levels. Why? Because institutional traders base their entries and exits on higher time frames. A daily support level is like a concrete wall. It takes serious volume to break it. Part 3. False breakouts, the market maker trap. Ever placed a trade at support only for price to break through and stop you out, then suddenly reverse? That's a classic fake breakout, and it happens because institutions love to hunt stop losses. Here's how they do it. They push price just beyond the support resistance level, triggering breakout traders. They absorb all the stop loss orders from trapped retail traders. They reverse the price back in the real direction. Solution? Wait for a confirmation candle before entering a trade. A fake breakout usually has a long wick followed by a strong reversal candle. Smart traders trade after the trap, not before. Part 4. Candlestick psychology at key levels. Price action tells you everything if you know what to look for. Before entering a trade at support or resistance, check for these confirmations. Pin bars and long wicks. The market tried to break, but failed. Engulfing candles, a strong reversal signal. Multiple rejections. The more times price rejects a level, the stronger it is. No confirmation, no trade. Never blindly buy at support or sell at resistance. Part 5. Support becomes resistance and vice versa. Flip zones. This is one of the most powerful concepts in trading. Support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. When price breaks through a strong support level, it often retests as new resistance. When price breaks above resistance, it can become a new support. This is where smart traders enter trades with confirmation, the winning formula. Alright, let's recap the real way to trade support and resistance. Treat them as zones, not fixed lines. Use higher timeframe key levels for the best accuracy. Beware of fake breakouts. Wait for confirmation. Look for strong candlestick patterns at key levels. Trade the flip zone when support turns to resistance. If this video revealed the truth about support and resistance, hit like and subscribe. Want more strategies? Tap the bell. Please comment below. What's your biggest struggle? Thanks for watching.